Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to show the ping inside the game of your League of Legends. So here's a note at first, to see the ping inside, you have to use the hotkeys. And I will teach you how to put in a hotkey to see the ping inside the game. So at first, just open your game, and as you open your game, go in the option settings right here. And as you open the setting, all you have to do is select this hotkeys option. And as you select it, just scroll down and click on this option display. And as you do that, just scroll this down again where you can see this option show/hide HUD. So all you have to do is just click on here, and as you click it, just put the hotkey that you are comfortable with. And as you do that, just click in the option save, and also after that click in the option done. So guys, that's how you show the ping inside the game of your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.